We got 3 quick sauces for you today to get you through any family get-together or cookout. Let's get going. First one we're gonna do is gonna be a Carolina vinegar mop sauce. You can use it on pork. I like to do it, just mop it on the pork as it's cooking. You can do it on chicken, really anything you like a tangy taste on. So we're gonna get our pot on a hot eye. First thing we're gonna be adding is gonna be 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. Then I like to add a 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. It's about a 1/2 cup. If you go a little over, it's okay. It's going to reduce down. Then we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar that'll be going in. We have 1/2 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We have 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. We have most of those left since the wind got some of them. Then we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. I have those together. Get all those in, and then 1 tablespoon of ketchup. And then we want to mix it up. What I'm running is about a medium high heat. This, you just want to get it to a good simmer, get everything melted down. It doesn't have any particular time. Just when it starts bubbling a little bit, then you want to let it go for a couple minutes. And after that, you can let it cool down, transfer it into a mason jar, put it in your refrigerator. It's good for a few weeks in an airtight container. You know, mason jar, bowl, whatever you want to put it in. Hey guys, do you have any kind of sauce recipes that you like making? Comment below. Let us know some of your favorite recipes and sauces from your neck of the woods that you like to use. We're about there now. You just want to let this render down for 3 or 4 minutes. It looks exactly the way you want it to look. It's going to have that red tint to it. And we're ready to jar it up. This will be good in the refrigerator, like I said, for a few weeks. You want to keep it airtight when you're using it. There you have it. We're about to get started on our second sauce, the Alabama white sauce. Ingredients for this is going to be 1 1/4 cup of mayo, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, a tablespoon of black pepper, a 1 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of W sauce, I can't say it, nobody can, and a 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite hot sauce. So let's get started. In our container we have the white vinegar, the Worcestershire sauce, W sauce, and the hot sauce. We're gonna put it in the pot first and let it start heating up just a little bit. Now we're gonna put our 1 1/4 cup of mayo in. A lot of you may be new to a Alabama white sauce. This is really good on chicken. That's what I primarily have used it for, but you may like it on anything. It never hurts to, if you want to make it, try it on your favorite kind of grilled or smoked meat. But like I said, it's really good on smoked or grilled chicken. I would imagine it being good on, say, some smoked pork chops or something like that as well. If you're a mayo fan like I am, you'll probably like it on just about anything. We got the mayo in there, so we're gonna take and whisk it in with the vinegar, the W sauce, and the hot sauce, just to get it, mixed in fairly good and broke up, get the mayo incorporated with everything. As we're doing this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, leave us a comment, tell us what you'd like to see us make in the future video. Got that, it's heating up, everything's coming together like it should. This sauce is gonna be a loose sauce. It's 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and our teaspoon of black pepper. Gonna get those mixed in, then we're gonna go in with our lemon juice. Get that in and we'll give it a little bit more mixing. You're going to let this come to a good simmer, heat up really good, and once you get it finished, it's good in a airtight container in your refrigerator. I would say 2 weeks. Make sure you have it gone, and then toss it out. You want to stir this occasionally. Well, we're right here, as you see, it's coming to a good simmer. We'll let it go for a couple minutes more, and then we're ready to take it off the heat, let it cool down, and then jar it up. There we have it. Easy Alabama white sauce. Now, our third sauce of the day is going to be a sweet heat barbecue sauce. In this container, I have the apple cider vinegar, which is 1/4 of a cup. I have 1/4 a cup of water, a teaspoon of mustard, Worcestershire W sauce. I can never say the word. I'm going to pour it into the pot. I got it on a medium, about a medium high heat right now. Gonna let that come up, get a little temp to it. Then we have 1 1/4 cup of ketchup going into the bowl. Then we have, this is local wildflower honey. It's cold out here, it's seized up on me a little bit. Now we're going in with the heat. We have 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. There's some heat for you. The cayenne pepper a little bit goes a long way. Starting to get everything coming together. This is going to be a darker color sauce. The longer you let it simmer, the looser it'll get for a little bit. Then it should reduce down and not be a watery sauce. It should be a little bit thicker. The brown sugar and everything breaks down. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of the Suckle Busters honey barbecue rub. You can do more than me, less than me, not add it at all. It's all up to you. Just giving you the basis to go off of. You can tweak this sauce any way you want to make it your own. As you can see, it's getting up to temp. Gonna give it a little more stirring. We should be about done. We have our sweet heat barbecue sauce done. We let it cool off just a little bit. Now we're gonna jar it up. Should be able to hold this in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks, easy. There you have it, sweet heat barbecue sauce.